marked brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can create folder and subfolder on your computer right here. So based upon instruction right here, so create a folder and name it main. Right, you notice right here, you're going to create a folder and name it main folder. They're going to create a folder and name it, create a folder in the main folder, which is the main folder right here. You're going to name it input. You're going to create a folder in the main and name it output. You're going to create a folder in the output and name it software. And right down here, you're going to drag and drop all the folder from the main folder to your desktop. So I'm going to go through them one by one so that you can have a basic idea how to angle folder on your desktop. Right? So very important. Why do that? Right? So the first thing you're going to get to work. The first thing that you wanted to do is to create a folder. Right here. So all you want to create the folder, you're going to right click. You notice you right click on the desktop. Notice this window come up. You're going to come right here to new. If you notice, depending which part you put the computer, with the mouse, you notice it show up to the left. If I come over here and then I click on this and I come like this, you notice it also show up to the left. If I come right over here and I click it, you notice it says show up to the left, but if I come over here and I click like that and put it, you notice it show up to the right. Alright, good. So I want to click right here. You notice it says with the folder I'm going to click. So I'm going to name it main. Right, and when I finish, I press enter. Right, so notice the first task create. Notice, let me bring it up that I can actually see it here a little. So notice right here, so create a folder and name it main. So we already create that for naming. So next thing we want you to do is create a folder in the main folder and name it input. Alright, so that we're going to do now. Now, first thing you want to do is want to open the main folder. You're going to right click on the main folder. Okay. Right click and then you're going to click right here to open. You open it right here. Right, you want to make sure that you know exactly what you're doing. Right, so if you notice you must name it as input. Right, so notice you have it right here. So this is the folder empty. Where do you go? If you notice right up here, notice the new main. These are the main folder. If you notice this itself, it's new folder. So when you click on it, you notice you create the folder. So you're going to type in input right here and then you press enter. Right, now we have input inside here. Now you go back to the instruction. Right, the next instruction to create a folder in main and name it output. Right, so very important. Also, you're going to create a different one by coming same place and then go write output and you press enter. Just the same. I'm going to go back to the instruction. Again, go back to the instruction right here. Right, and notice the next instruction to create a folder in output and name it software. Very important. How you're going to do that? Right, notice is output. You have to right click on output and then open output and they're going to come right here. Alright, and they're going to name it software. Alright, they press enter. Right, now you press enter and they want to click right here and go right back there. Alright, then they're going to bring on instruction again. Alright, now if you notice, right, they name it as software already. So the next instruction stated right here, so you're going to drag and drop all the folders from the main folder to the desktop. Right, very important. So that's what you wanted to do, definitely. But if you notice first, you have a folder right inside here, so, which is in output. So I want to do that now. What I want you to do, you can come right here and minimize it just like that. You notice so you minimize it just like that. So you want to right click like that and press open. You want to drag out this one first. You want to hold on left side of the mouse at touchpad and drag this like that. You notice software folder out there. You're going to come right here and go back. Notice these two. Right, you're going to put the cursor upon you along left side of the mouse side touchpad. You're going to drag this out like that. You're going to do the same thing for this one. You're going to actually drag it out like that. Now you're going to actually close it like that. You notice this is the main folder. Notice this is input folder. Alright, and notice this is output folder, and these are the folders that you actually create in the main folder. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.